Alright, looking at the bottom of these driveways on Jefferson Street, we have miniature lakes at each bottom of each driveway. The road needs to be redone. We have no storm sewer. The water builds up along the street. But apparently there's nothing wrong with our road. But what happens is we get water standing at the bottom of the driveways, and then what we get is when it gets colder, it freezes. So we get frozen water at the end of the driveways, which then what happens is the spring, the frost starts coming out and we get stuff like this. All the aprons start cracking. This is not just one apron. My apron at 913 Draper Street did not have any cracks in it, and over the last couple years my apron has cracked. So if you look, snow's covered, but my apron right here is cracked and sinking, and now I got a big crack here going all the way down. And then I get water sitting at the bottom of my driveway, just like everybody else on this street. This road was projected to be done in the year 2000. When I first moved in 95, they told me 2000. Then it got pushed back another 3 years, and it was 2003. It never was put on the agenda, and it still isn't on the agenda. This road has not been touched in years and years and years and years. Next door neighbor lived here all his life and said that he has never seen this road reconstructed, just a lot of band-aid work. Jefferson Street and the road over need to be addressed and need new road, curb and gutter, along with the sidewalks. Many of these big trees are wreaking havoc on the aprons and sidewalks, which are destroying them. And the trees are probably more than likely going to have to be taken down when the road is redone.